So guys, I'm going to explain in this video what are the myths people have before starting their business. So guys, I'm going to tell you that what are the myths people think before starting their business, and I'm going to share you one valuable things, and I want you to watch this whole video, and whatever the thing I'm telling you, if you resonate with me, then please take action and go for it. So guys, my name is Virendra and I'm here to help 100,000 students to build their entire lifestyle. So guys, what the first thing people think what they have to do before starting their business is that I have to follow my passion. Yes, most people tell you that you have to follow your passion, but you have to understand that is your passion is really scalable or not in the industry, or is that really required for people or not. If you think like I have some passion, but if your passion is not helping other people, then what is the use of that? So you have to understand that you should have that passion, but that must be scalable, and if not, then you have to stop, like you have to change your passion, like you have to stop doing that, because if your passion is not making you money, then your passion will become a poison. So that's why you have to understand that a lot, like every time you don't have to follow your passion. You have to understand that you don't have to like think like you have to don't like just always follow your passion. Sometimes you have to like go out of your comfort zone, and you have to find a niche where like people should know you as a like this is a expert, or this is like you are like crazy on that niche. So you have to find those niche and you have to work on that, and you have to find problem and you have to work and find a solution. You have to see whatever the problem people are facing, and you have to find a solution for that. That's what main thing is. This is what the main thing is, where you have to, if you have to win in a business, first of all you have to find that what are the problems people are facing, and you have to always like find a solution for that. If you have find a solution, you are ready to win the business. So you have to go in that way. And you know what, most people think that I have the experience of like 15 years of this and that, I have 20 years of experience. Let me tell you one thing, that people don't care about your experience. They only care about how much you can help from that experience. They only about how much you can help them. They don't care about your experience. So you have to understand that your experience doesn't matter. What matter is how much you can help, how much you are ready to learn, like grow yourself, and how much you are like committed to help other people. So that is the first thing you have to understand. And the second thing is, in business you don't have to always think about making money, making profit again and again. You have to understand that like some people, they're always focused on providing value, and when they provide value, they achieve more than what they ever think. If you want to earn more money, you have to deliver more valuable information, so that it's like a win-win game. You are like giving so much amount of value and valuable information to other people, so that they will use that information and they will gonna change their life, and they will gonna pay you for that. And so that like you are also winning and they are also winning, because after buying a product, you also know that this product gonna help them and gonna change their life. So this is how people have to think, and you have to also think like whoever is investing money, or whoever is like paying, like whoever is recommending their product. So you have to understand that this is a win-win situation. This is not like just I am winning and you are losing, or you are losing and I am winning. This is not like that. That's how the business should go. In business, both should be satisfied whatever they are doing. So this is how you have to think, and you have to like if you have to earn more money, you have to deliver more value information, and you have to earn less money, you have to just decrease your valuable whatever the value you are giving to other people. So this is how it works, and this is how you have to think. If you find a solution for if you like, first of all you have to think about the problems, what are the problems people are facing, and if you find a solution for that, you will gonna win in that business. This is how it works. This is like when you find a solution, then you wanna start ready to help people, and then you start ready to like ask whatever the money you want, because this is like you think that whatever the like if you help someone, people are ready to pay you, so that people should get valuable information from you. And you know what my mentor says is that people don't care about your experience. If you like, you will gonna tell me that I have experience of 15 years on this like in this business, or 25 years of this, I have experience on this business. I'm literally gonna tell you that people don't care about your experience. They only care about that what are the problem you're gonna solve from that experience. Like you gonna help them from that experience, or just it is just an experience for you. So that's what you have to understand, that people don't care about your experience. They only care about what are the problem from that experience. That's what people care about that. So you have to also understand that don't think about whatever experience. You have to only understand what are the problems and how you can find a solution, and then you are ready to win in that business. The third thing is I have to be unique and different. You also said that I have to like do something like crazy so that people I will get viral on at you ever see so much amount of videos on TikTok, on Instagram, so many all these platforms that people are going viral. So first of all, you have to understand that what kind of things should be you known for. Like you have to just only think about getting a viral, so that you have to make some unique videos. So you have to understand one thing is that what do you known for. If you're known for someone who is just dancing and just lip sync on doing all those things, please don't watch this video. I'm telling you, don't watch this video. Just skip that video, and I'm not interested and on those kind of people. But if you are like ready to if you are like someone who is going to known for a person who is helping other people, who is actually building their business, who is working on themselves, who are like going in a self-education, building their business dream. So I want to do all those people to watch this video and connect with me. That kind of people I want, and I want to like this kind of things. You have to understand that what do you known for. This is what more like for me. This is the most important thing for me also, because without just getting famous, it's like just getting famous is not okay. I want to be known for something. You have to be known for something, so that if people will see you, they will recognize you that this is like he stand for this, and like people wanna see you that as a leader, not someone just doing something. So you have to understand that what do you known for. And the fourth thing is I have to serve everybody and not going too narrower. And you have to understand that when you are finding a niche, if you are tell me that I'm in a health and wellness niche, but you have to understand that in a health and wellness niche there's a huge industry. So it is a very big industry. So you have to go narrower and narrower. You also heard that richest are in the niches. So for example, like a tummy fat, helping people to reduce a tummy fat, or helping pregnant women to get their body shape, regain their body shape. So this kind of like niche you should have. You have to be very particular about your niche, and you don't have to serve everyone. You should have some target market. You are like in a health wellness niche, you have to find what are the age you are good at, because every age group have different like metabolism, or how their body works, how they think, how they feel, everything. So you have to be very particular about to whom you want to serve age. And if you don't know whom to serve, just see your age. You can easily serve people who are at your age. So start helping people at your age. This is the best thing you can do. And you have to be like very particular about what is your age group and what is your niche. And you can actually you can earn lots of amount of money in a very particular niche also. And the fifth thing is there is too much competition in my niche. So first of all, you have to understand that it is famous and trendy. That's why there is competition in your niche. So you have to find a way to actually boom in your industry. You have to go for domination. You should have that kind of mindset that I am going to first of all, you don't have to compete with other. You have to just simply create. If you go with that mindset, this will gonna change your life. Because you know what, Bhuvan Bam, Ashish Chanchalani, Karimati, like all those people like high level of YouTuber, they never ever think about how much views they are getting, or they never think about what are their competitors are doing. They simply know one thing, that whatever I'm doing, I have to build something more, and I have to provide more entertainment for them. I want to make more quality videos, and I want to create something which people can't even think about. So this is they think about. They never think about that Ashish Chanchalani got 10 million, then I will be gonna achieve 11 million on this video. So this is not how they think. They just simply be themselves, and they just simply create something so that other people should have a fun with after watching this video, and they will think about what are this is some next level of entertainment videos. So this is how you have to actually think about. So these are all the 5 myths what I have shared with you, and I want you to understand all those things and apply in your life. In the last, I have tell you that I am going to share one thing, is that I am going to start one Facebook group where I want, particularly my focus is on students. The students who are watching this video, I am going to start this video for entrepreneurs who are interested in building something, who are ready to learn, who are helping other people, and who are in a self-development or self-education niche. So I want if you are interested in that, so please DM me or personally in Facebook, or Instagram, in any kind of platform, DM me and I will add you, and we will like, this is like a, start making a community, so that we could help each other, and we could understand what are the problems we can solve other people, and like what kind of idea we can share as a like community. So I'm going to start this Facebook group, and if you are interested, DM me personally, and I'm ready to like add you in that group. And I only want the people who are like serious about these things. I don't want just lots of amount of people who are just adding in a group and just not doing something and not interested in all those things. So I'm gonna remove all those people. But if you are like interested in that thing, then I'm like, feel free to DM me personally, and I'm ready to join you. So hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, so make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me in every platform, because if we follow each other and we learn from each other and we share our ideas, then only we can grow each other. So stay blessed, have a great day.